Hi, I'm Basil, a non-native English speaker. My first language is not English. Even after, I feel that I talk English more or less wherever I go and whatever I do. So those who do not know me, I'm gonna introduce you. I'm a northern part of India. I'm from Odisha, and it is one of the beautiful states in India. The group of words that makes a complete sense is called sentence, and there are four types of sentence. Mainly, there are four types of sentence. What are they? Declarative sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. And what is it? And what do you understand by it? We are gonna discuss one by one. So let us feel free about it that we are gonna learn today about sentence. And at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you bonus tips. So please keep watching this video, and it is gonna help you. It is gonna give you boost. Your English is gonna become powerful, and that is what we become a great speaker in our life. So without delay, let's get started. So guys, the first sentence that I would say is declarative sentence. What is declarative sentence? If you don't know how to pronounce declarative, it is declarative sentence. Relax your body and you find to say declarative sentence. And what is declarative sentence? A declarative sentence is you make a statement. You make a statement. You see a bottle. This is a bottle. You are making a statement. Whatever you say, the moon is beautiful, a tree is so high, I see a beautiful tree, and whatever you make it, making a statement is called a declarative sentence. And guys, remember, whenever you are making a declarative sentence, what is it? The intonation, the voice is gonna come at the end, and that is what you make a beautiful sentence. And that is what you come to know that this person has made a declarative sentence. So guys, this is the declarative sentence. And if you see anything, what is it? If you're telling me a lot of things, this is a beautiful things. You're making a statement, and that is why it became a declarative sentence. My shirt is white. It is a declarative sentence. Whatever you say, you're not making it order. It's not negative. You're not asking. If you're asking, it is gonna become an interrogative sentence. And if you're placing an order, it is gonna become an imperative sentence. And sometimes if you're telling it is not, it means it is becoming a negative sentence. So that is why I'm telling you, what is declarative sentence? Declarative sentence that we make a statement. Whatever you see in your house, you just tell it, and that is gonna become a declarative sentence. So I hope you understood what is declarative sentence. Whatever you see, the sun, there is a beautiful sun, you are making a statement. And a lot of things. My father is a farmer. I have a dream. These all are a declarative sentence. That is why most of the time, if a politician or anybody speaks, most of the people use the declarative sentence, and that is gonna give you more boost, more powerful. That this is what we are not asking a question or not telling anything about it. You're just making a statement. The fan is blue. The sun is huge. You're making the tree is beautiful. I'm making a statement, so it is becoming a declarative sentence. And next, I'm gonna tell you interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence. What is interrogative sentence? Oh my God, how do I explain it? A sentence that you ask a question. It is not a statement. You're asking a question. So that is gonna become an interrogative sentence. So most of the time, why, what, could can be used while you're asking somebody, what is your name? You're asking a person, hey, what is your name? What is it? You're asking a question. If you look over here and you're asking me, what is it? What is it? More or less, sometimes the intonation is going high, while in declarative sentence, the intonation is going down. This is beautiful things. This is beautiful things. I'm making a statement. But if I'm asking a question, What is it? More or less, the intonation is going high. I mean, you are surprised. It is not surprise, but you are asking. A person must know that you are asking. How? By your intonation. So what is it? You are asking. It is a beautiful flower, you can say it, and it is beautiful things. So that is what is interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence is that is you ask somebody. I mean, you can ask your mother, you can ask your brother, you can ask anybody. What is it? What are you doing? What is your name? Where are you going? So these are the things you're asking. And more or less, if you're writing in a script or in a notebook, more or less you put a question mark. I mean, you know it. So that is, it signifies that it is an interrogative sentence. More or less, we use it while we write it down in a script. But nobody gives a question marks when he's speaking. But the intonation is something different. It's little goes up, and you come to know that this is interrogative sentence. So guys, it is all clear and crystal what is interrogative sentence. So more or less, if you're reading a book, you see somebody, is this a pen or a paper? I mean, somebody is asking a question. That is why it became an interrogative sentence. And next I'm gonna tell you. So till then, guys, if you're new over here and if you're watching me for the first time, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon. You'll not get it anywhere else. And I'm gonna upload a lot of videos regarding talking English, regarding improving English, and that is what you'll feel in your life and you improve it. So please do me a favor, hit the bell icon and subscribe to our channel, and as far as possible you can even share it. So without delay, let's jump into what is imperative sentence. Oh my god, what is imperative sentence? So I'm gonna make you understand what is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is nothing but that you order something. Guys, you order somebody, hey, sit down, hey, come here. I mean, you're placing an order. Most of the time, a lot of leaders of our nation, politicians, they use imperative sentence. But more or less, the imperative sentence is used a person who is leader. I mean, you calling a child, hey, you shut down. I mean, you're really ordering something. So that is gonna become an imperative sentence. So more or less, it is always said we have to use imperative sentence in our day-to-day life, and that is what you can, hey, you come here. More or less, it can be used in both negative way and positive way. So more or less, why should we use the negative way? You must try to use in a positive way. So that is what you order something. Hey, please come here. You're making a request. So this all types of sentences become an imperative sentence. So I hope you understand what is imperative sentence. And last and not the least is exclamatory sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? Wow, I'm surprised. I mean, you really see something and you're really surprised. Wow, what a beautiful dress. Ooh, what nice it is. You're really surprised to see something. You go in, suddenly you really win the match. I mean, this time the voters who won the vote, they'll be surprised. Wow, hurrah, I won the match. You're really surprised. It gives you, I mean, sometimes if you're really sad, even you can laugh, somebody died. So that is what we use in English, the types of sentence. And guys, I'm telling you a bonus tip as I promised you. And there is another type of sentence that is called, negative sentence. Most of the time it is not used in the school, but as you talk in English, you must use it. That is a negative sentence. I mean, you are using not into it. This is black. I'm making a statement. This is black. But you know it, you can see it. This is white, but this is not black. You can ask it. And that is why, and that is how you make a negative sentence. And whatever it is, if you say not, if you add not into it, it is gonna become a negative sentence. So that is why if you're speaking in your sentence, in your word, in day-to-day life, try to make these 5 types of sentence, and that is gonna make you a beautiful. Sometimes you ask a question, hey, what is your name? Sometimes you say, I'm really good about my life, making a lot of statement, asking a lot of question, and placing a lot of border, and really giving surprise, and sometimes even you're using not in your sentence. And most of the time, if you're making not, I mean negative sentence, we use never, not. So this tells us that it is a negative sentence. So hope you understand the types of sentence in English. So guys, I really appreciate you for watching this video till the end, and that is what you feel good about your English. If you learn the types of sentence, if you know it, what is declarative sentence, what is imperative sentence, what is exclamatory sentence, what is interrogative sentence, and that is what you talk in your language. I mean, you see somebody and you're asking, and first when you wake up, what are you gonna do? You're waking up from your bed, you need a bottle, I mean you are thirsty. The moment you wake up from your bed, you're asking, please give me a bottle of water. What types of sentence it is? Comment me. What types of sentence? Give me a bottle of water. Comment me and let us know more about you and more about English. So this is what the beauty of English. If you wanna improve your English, try to know these types of sentence, and that is gonna make you to know what types of sentence that you're using in your day-to-day life. So I appreciate you guys. If you didn't understand about this sentence, please comment me, and I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna make another video regarding it, and I hope and it is gonna help you a lot. So please, if it really help you, give me a thumbs up and share our videos to the more people that will be encouraged to make a lot of videos regarding English. So guys, thank you for watching my video. God bless you and have a great dream to learn English. Till then, I will meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Have a great day.